In this video, we're going to show you to replace the upper dash trim bezel in your Dodge Ram, located right on the top of your dashboard. Along the top of the panel right here, we're going to go ahead and use our trim tool. We're going to get underneath and we're just going to gently pry up. We're going to release the metal retainer tabs and we're going to continue to do this across the entire top of the dash. Once the front clips are all released, I'm going to go ahead and grab that panel and we're going to pull it towards you, inward. Once all those clips are released, go ahead and remove the panel from the vehicle. Now on the bottom side here, you're going to have metal retainer clips. These forward mounted clips will go into the red felt lined ports on the front side of your dash. Go ahead and slide this unit into place. Let's go ahead and line those in, push that in. I want to make sure all these front tabs are locked in. And once those are locked in, we can come on back, line up our little retainer locks here, press these down. Once you're all locked in, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.